Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we've been checking out a drone that's generating quite a bit of buzz, the generic 8K HD dual camera professional drone quadcopter. This particular model comes in a sleek gray finish and is marketed with some pretty impressive features, especially for those looking to get into aerial photography and videography without breaking the bank. Right off the bat, the headline feature is the dual camera system, advertised as capable of stunning 8K high-definition aerial videos and photographs. Now, looking at the detailed specifications provided, the actual video capture resolution is listed as 1080p, and the effective still resolution is 12 megapixels. So, while the marketing might say 8K, the footage you'll be getting is full HD video and 12MP photos. It's important to manage expectations based on the actual capture capabilities listed, but 1080p video and 12MP stills can still produce some decent results for social media or personal use, especially with a good camera sensor and processing. The dual cameras themselves offer flexibility, potentially allowing for different perspectives or uses during flight. One feature that truly stands out, particularly for beginners, is the omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. This means the drone is designed to detect obstacles from multiple directions, significantly reducing the risk of collisions. For someone just learning to fly, having this safety net provides a huge amount of confidence and can save you from costly crashes. It's a feature usually found on much more expensive models, so seeing it here is a definite plus. When it comes to performance metrics, the drone boasts an impressive 5,000-meter remote distance. That's over 3 miles of potential range, allowing you to explore vast areas and capture sweeping landscapes from afar. Coupled with a claimed 25-minute flight time on a single battery, you get a decent window to compose your shots and navigate your flight path before needing to land and swap batteries or recharge. Having a good flight time is crucial for getting meaningful footage during an outing. Precise positioning is handled by comprehensive GPS functionality. GPS is vital for stable flight, especially outdoors. It allows the drone to hold its position accurately even in light winds. Enables features like automatic return to home if the signal is lost or the battery runs low, and generally makes flying much more predictable and easier for pilots of all skill levels. To help ensure your footage looks smooth and professional, the drone incorporates advanced camera stabilization techniques, including both optical and electronic image stabilization. Optical stabilization uses physical movement of the lens or sensor to counteract shakes, while electronic stabilization uses software processing. Working together, these systems aim to smooth out vibrations and movements from the drone's flight, resulting in more stable and watchable video footage. Considering the special features listed being beginner-friendly, app-controlled, and having long battery life, this drone seems positioned as an accessible entry point into the world of aerial drones. The app control makes it easy to operate using your smartphone, which is intuitive for most people today. The combination of obstacle avoidance, GPS, and stabilization makes the learning curve much less steep than with basic, non-GPS drones. Overall, while the 8K HD marketing might be a bit ambitious compared to the actual 1080p video and 12MP still resolution provided in the specs, the inclusion of omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, long range, decent flight time, GPS, and stabilization makes this generic 8K HD dual camera professional drone quadcopter in gray an interesting option, especially for beginners looking for safety features and ease of use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.